channel.
This is Teresa,
Kathy, and Maddie.
and this is the
Truong's
Truong's Eat.
Today, we are eating Timmy Chan.
We've got some garlic wings, sweet and sour wings,
Fried wings.
and lemon pepper wings, I believe.
Special lo mein.
Some shrimp fried rice, cream puffs, and some bacon wrapped shrimp. So this is our first video. So we're gonna play a little game, and we're gonna do some Q&As with the Truong sisters, so you guys can get to know us a little better. But first, we're gonna eat. So let's dig in.
Okay, let's dig in.
I don't know what I want.
I'm gonna
first.
get some lo mein.
Oh well.
I want some. I'm gonna
Cream
get some
puffs.
cream puffs.
Oh, I do.
These
want
are
cream puffs.
so good. They're my favorite.
Okay, we've got to do our thumbnail.
Can I have a cream puff?
Yes, of
No,
course.
I'll get a chicken wing since y'all are doing cream puffs.
Here you go.
Okay.
Alrighty. Thumbnail.
Honey.
Okay. Okay.
Whatever. Oops.
So we have some sweet and sour sauce
Super crunchy.
and ketchup.
I am so excited. Smells so good.
Mm.
Mm, 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 mm. Very delicious. Mm. Yeah, can you pass me one of those
Uh-oh.
fried chicken wings? Thank you. Alright, let us get a few more bites in. And then we'll start with the questions.
Just a few more bites.
Well, you guys can continue eating. Alright. Let me pull. Well, actually, let me get myself some rice. Oh, fuck. I mean, oops. Okay.
Let's start our first question.
What? Oh, what's the first question?
Okay. First question is, what is our middle name?
My middle name is Thee. What's yours?
Noi is your nickname.
My middle name is Wang Zhao.
Mine's is Wang Yin.
And mine's is Thee.
No, yours is Wang An, but your
Well, we
nickname
cannot
is...
tell people our government name. They can come look for us.
Why? I mean, if you don't know, we are Vietnamese. We don't look it, but
We are.
we are. So, for all you people out there who want to talk behind our backs, we know. We understand you.
They're fake. Next question. Who is more spoiled? Me.
I think she is. I think
Definitely Madeline.
both of them are.
Excuse
I'm
you?
first, then her, then her.
I spoil the both of them.
Okay, that's kind of true.
Yeah.
But
Kind of.
I guess Madeline would be number one of who
Me.
is the most spoiled.
You choose a question.
Okay. Who is a better driver? Whoa.
Kathy, Teresa has a lot of road rage.
I do not. I do not. Okay, I have my days, but Kathy also has her days. Okay? Kathy has her days.
Okay. Teresa's like, ugh, these dumb cars won't hurry up and drive.
I do not do that. Next question. Oh, it's my turn?
What?
Who is the most annoying sister? Ooh.
It's kind of hard.
That is hard. I think we all get on each other's nerves a little bit sometimes.
All of us.
That's a hard question, actually.
Who is the most annoying?
I think it would have to be you.
I think
Me?
No,
Madeline?
I think me.
I think so. I don't know. I think it's a tie.
She has
between
no
you two.
chill.
I think
There's
it's
no
a tie between the both of you. For me.
No.
No, not you. Well, that's the story of our life.
I keep telling them not to wear white.
I smudged it in more. It's okay.
Okay, whose turn is it? Mine or yours?
Mine. Age gap between your siblings. Whoa.
I'm 20.
Me and Teresa are 2 years apart.
Yes.
Madeline is, let's subtract.
How old am I? Oh my god.
How old are you? Huh? Okay.
Yeah, whatever you do, just subtract 2 from me. I'm gonna sweet and sour wing over here. These wings are kind of small today.
You're 14 years younger than us.
Wow.
Right.
Wait, why couldn't we do the math?
What? Jesus. Oh, whoa. 14 years? That's crazy. How does it feel with like 2 older
How does
sisters?
it feel? Yeah, Madeline.
Good.
Why?
What would you say is the best thing about having older sisters?
I get to go places with them.
True.
That's it?
And they feed me.
That is also true.
I don't buy me things. And sometimes we team up on Teresa.
Oh, that's definitely true.
That is true. I get bullied.
And sometimes we go to
Bullied.
restaurants
I do.
and then we laugh so hard and then our parents yell at us.
That's also
funny.
true.
Let's see. The next question is, who is most likely to steal from your closet? She's the closet thief.
Her.
She steals everything.
Yeah, I'm so glad she knows the answers. I'm glad she can admit that it's her.
She's definitely a closet thief.
It's okay. I do it to you, Kathy.
Bitch, you don't steal, you ask.
I do ask.
Madeline steals. Can you pass me your coat?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Is the lo mein good?
Mm-hmm.
Can you pass me some of here?
Sometimes when you steal,
Huh?
sometimes
Can you get me
I
some lo mein?
borrow clothes that
You
was
don't return.
Oh no. I think
that
oh,
was
yeah, I was in
lended to me.
that beef.
But then sometimes they just stay in my closet and like they don't move, so I just have them.
Okay. I think I stole clothes from your closet once.
You did.
I did. I think I still have it at my house.
You do.
Oh, my turn? Oh, so sorry. Whoops. Okay. So, if you got a call that your sibling was in jail, what is the first crime that comes to mind?
She stole something.
I think both of you guys are gonna be the same. Excuse me.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, my answer is she either stole something or she got extra angry out of road rage and then she killed someone.
Okay, mine would be the same for both of you guys. It would be getting super mad at somebody and getting in a fight with someone over something small or stupid.
food?
Or like if someone cut you in line.
Can I have some french fries?
Or whatever. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh yeah, I do that at
Really?
school. People skip me.
Wow.
Sorry.
Wow.
Sorry.
Wow.
She's spilling everything.
Yeah.
My turn?
Yes. Oh. Oh no, I got some on my shirt too.
I have nothing on my shirt.
That's a surprise.
First time.
Because she's
How
always
much
the first
time
one.
do we spend together every single weekend?
I think we do every single weekend, but me and Kathy every single
Every day.
day.
They go to work together. They go to lunch together. They work together.
We do work together.
They do everything together. They live in the same apartment complex. They do everything.
Anything else you would like to share?
No.
Yes. So we spend time with each other, or we see each other.
How much time do
Oh.
we spend together?
We spend time with each other
Too much.
single day.
A lot.
And then Madeline.
FaceTime.
Madeline. Madeline is every weekend.
Mhm.
Do you guys ever get tired of spending so much time together?
No.
No.
Oh.
Do you? Yes.
But she still spends time with us anyway, so it don't matter.
What? I'm good over here eating. Have any of y'all tried these garlic wings yet?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Okay. The French fry and the garlic wing. Okay. Teresa, was it your turn to ask a question?
No, it's your turn.
Oh. Who is the most creative? It's me.
I think it's
I
Madeline.
think me or Teresa.
Bruh. Bruh.
Or Kathy.
I think it's Madeline.
I think it's all three of us. No, I think it's them two, not me.
I guess we all have our
We are
own
creative.
creative minds. Like Kathy, you're.
You have nothing for me.
You're an artist.
I am an artist.
She used to do great pottery work.
Oh, sorry.
Ceramics.
Voice
I think I can still do great pottery work.
She just has it.
I can do nails.
Mhm.
I can. That's about it.
Madeline.
Do boards. I can do boards.
I think Madeline's really good at,
Calligraphy.
doing different things. Like, I think you get really good at whatever you try and you put your mind to.
Yes. That's Madeline.
What about Teresa?
She is a songwriter.
Oh, she is.
Try.
And she can play the guitar.
Mm-hmm.
Does that count as creativeness or
Yeah,
talent?
I'm an artist, right? Right?
Are you asking us?
Okay. Who is the laziest?
Oh, Teresa.
I am not.
It's Teresa.
I am not.
She wakes up at 12 p.m.
I do not.
1 p.m.
I do not.
2 p.m.
I do not.
She wakes up at 11 a.m.
We can't text her in the morning. She'll get really angry.
I do not. No.
Yeah, and
It goes like this.
like
Really?
Her eyes are like this in the morning when she's sleeping.
That is not true. Okay.
Well,
You guys text me early in the morning.
it's 2 against 1. We won. You're the laziest.
Well, guess what? Whenever we're sleeping at night, you text us too.
Yeah, we sleep early.
That's why. I'm up later than y'all.
Well, nobody told you to.
Well, but I don't
Let's
wake
try
up
one of
later.
these scrimps.
Oh yeah,
It's
I'm
good.
looking at it.
The bacon wrap shrimp?
They look good.
There's something in it though.
Yeah.
It's late. It's leaves. Okay. Next question. Is it my
I want
turn?
a bun.
Who is a
I
troublemaker?
like my buns with sweet and sour sauce.
Who is a troublemaker? King.
I think Madeline.
Me?
Yeah.
I think King. If Yeah,
delicious.
King is Kathy's dog.
I'm really hungry. Okay.
Don't buy my shirt.
What have I not tried? A lemon pepper wing? Has anyone tried that yet?
No.
Nah, that's the only thing I ate.
Is it good?
Tastes like wings.
Oh. Okay, I'll take.
I'm about to say 3 in a row.
Mm-mm.
How was the day?
Who is the toughest sibling? It's me. It's definitely me.
Kathy, that means Teresa.
I mean, I can only choose 2, right? Out of you or Madeline?
Or you.
Or me?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
I voted for myself.
I guess
Madeline second. Teresa, you're last.
I'm not tough.
No.
Okay, definition of tough. Like, who's the toughest sister, as in, like, who gets on their siblings?
I don't know, Teresa. You wrote the question. Tell us.
You did. I found the question. I did not write the question.
You did.
Well, you.
Okay, tough as in what in your definition?
Tough.
Like,
as
not
in-
scared of nobody?
Mm-hmm.
Tough? Oh. I was thinking more of, like, who is more, like, the one who,
Strong.
like, who your siblings look up to, I guess, as in, like, who is more, I don't know how to explain it.
Good. We don't need to explain it.
Whatever. Why
Okay.
are you so mean to me?
We're not. Well, see, she's not the toughest.
Excuse me.
Wow. My pants is with Sprite and my shirt is with sweet and sour sauce. What else can happen? Soy sauce?
Can I have a bun?
Mm-hmm.
You gave me the brown bun. I don't want that one. It looks special.
It went in the garlic sauce.
Teresa, the next question is yours.
Oh. Let me eat.
Oh no, we're in that question.
No, we got a couple. Okay. I'm having a look. What is your favorite thing about your sibling? Siblings.
Who starts? Me? You.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're the oldest. Go ahead.
My favorite part about Madeline is she is so funny and she doesn't care what anyone thinks.
Thank you.
Agree.
I agree
Teresa?
too.
My favorite thing about Teresa is she is the most caring
Oh yeah, I agree
person
too.
ever.
Thank you.
If you hurt her, me and Kathy will hunt you down and we will murder you.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
You cannot say that. You cannot say that.
I didn't say that.
Maybe not murder.
We will attack you.
Okay, that's a warning, okay?
Sorry. I just looked over at your shirt.
Okay.
My favorite thing about Kathy is, if she doesn't get her way at a store, or like, you see, if they give her the wrong price. She will argue with you.
She's our price negotiator.
Okay, for real. My favorite thing about Kathy is that even whenever she's tired, she will try her hardest and will not give up. and will not give up, and she will do anything for you.
Oh.
That's about to make me cry.
My favorite thing about Teresa is that she's easy to make fun of.
Wow.
And she's short.
Wow.
But it's okay because she's like, but let me finish. But she's like my short older sister.
Oh, well, that's her favorite thing about you.
That is all you have to say.
And even when she's busy, she will clear your schedule. She will clear her schedule for you.
Teresa?
That was kind of mean, man. Like, you
Guys,
had
I have
hard
the hiccups.
Like, you had heartfelt words for Kathy.
Okay.
Mine was just, I'm short, period, and that's why.
Let me rephrase it.
No, it's okay.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Oops, excuse me.
Teresa is short, but she's a feisty short person.
Wow. Okay, we're done with you.
Okay. I think
So
I'm
my
right.
favorite thing about Kathy is she's very overprotective. In a good way, you know? She's very caring of her siblings and she wants what's best for them. And she always watches out for us and always takes care of us. Madeline, you have a great personality.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
You do have a great personality. You always make me laugh. I always have a good time when we're around. You know, sometimes you are a brat, but you know, you are very kind-hearted too when you want to be.
I agree. Next question on me.
Wait.
Excuse me. That's
No, I
good,
think
y'all.
Teresa.
No, I just went.
Describe your siblings with 3 adjectives. I don't know what an adjective is, so I can't answer that. Sorry.
Kathy, what is an adjective?
I remember Googling it.
Loving, caring.
Who?
That's an adjective.
Who are you describing?
Both of y'all.
Oh. We can all both be the same?
No, because she's not caring and loving.
I'm not caring and loving either.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this lemon pepper wing. Did I try one already? I can't remember.
Next question.
Oh, adjective. Madeline is smart.
Thank you. I try my best.
3, smart,
Beautiful.
beautiful,
Oh, thank you.
and
Beautiful.
no,
Pretty.
dramatic.
Yes.
I should be in drama.
Kathy?
You're dramatic too.
I don't know. I'm not.
Oh, my God.
Ah, fuck my eyes! Replay.
Fuck my eyes!
Slow-mo. Do it slow-mo.
Fuck my eyes!
Oh, I can't breathe. Okay. Next question.
Kathy.
I don't even think we all answered that question, but okay.
I don't know what adjective is.
Who is the most childish?
Madeline.
She is a child.
I am a child.
And you are. Not really.
I'm a teen.
You're a teen.
Sorry, my brain.
So you want to ask that between me and Kathy?
Who is the most childish?
Kathy.
Kathy.
Kathy. It's not childish. It's called being fun.
There's a difference, people.
Okay, next. Is that my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. I need another.
No one
napkin
has
for
touched the ketchup.
this. I did.
No, she didn't.
I did. Are you a mommy's girl or daddy's girl?
Daddy's girl.
Daddy's girl.
Mommy's girl.
Who is best at keeping secrets?
Madeline.
All
She's
of us.
the best. I think that's true. But
Madeline.
Let's not.
Would
steal
you ever
that.
think that a child would be so good at keeping secrets?
She's taking some secrets. Well, she's got a lot of secrets.
Some of them I forgot, so.
What is your favorite Netflix series?
Stranger Things.
Love is Blind.
That's a hard one.
Well,
There's a lot of good things.
Love is Blind.
I like Stranger Things.
It has to be like a Netflix original.
Love is Blind.
That'd be a movie.
Stranger Things.
No.
Working Moms is pretty good.
I thought you
Working
like
Moms is
Umbrella
funny.
Academy.
Oh, Umbrella Academy was good too.
I still haven't finished it.
Who's asking the next question?
Teresa.
That's a lot. That's a lot. You? Is you a Netflix original? You.
I haven't watched that.
My boyfriend hates that show.
I thought you like Raising Dion.
Oh, that's a good show too!
Okay, then I have to scream the French.
What is one personality trait that your siblings have that you wish you had? To have Kathy's confidence, Madeline's goofiness.
Teresa's organization and and Kathy's style.
Oh, Jesus.
And her style.
Madeline, wait.
Wow.
That was the funniest thing.
I'm organized.
Mhm.
I guess I'm organized.
I wish that I had Teresa's,
What
I
was
guess
that
like how
trait?
calm you are and how you can remain calm and how you know how to bite your tongue. I can't do that.
We know.
That's why I want your confidence.
Or she
I
doesn't
wish
say.
that I had Madeline's creativeness. I'm creative. Oh, she also plays the cello.
I
Oh, she
do.
does.
She does.
I'm
Yeah.
kind of lost right now, but
I just want to like be able to stand up for myself.
She's also a cheerleader.
I used to be.
I want to be able to stand up for myself instead of having like my sisters stand up for me. Because I'm.
But it's okay. It's my job.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I think.
Whose side of the argument were your parents most likely to take growing up?
Raymond's.
Raymond. That's our
Raymond.
brother.
Our brother. You know, he's the only boy, so he got away with everything. Everything.
Everything. Everything. Even girlfriends.
Yeah. Like, we weren't even like. You know what?
We were not allowed to date.
We're not even gonna go there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alrighty, guys. We're getting full.
Kathy's already full.
Hope you guys learned a little bit more about us. And
And join us for the next videos.
bye.